Hey, what's going on? It's Dominic Daniels coming to you from All About Passive Income. And today I wanted to do a quick update video on hashing ad space. And the reason for me shooting this video is because I have something very special that I want to give to you guys today. Something that's going to help you explode your business going forward in 2019. So guys, just bear with me, stick with me to the end of this video, and I will be giving you the information that you will need in order to duplicate this business. All right. So, guys, with hashing ad space, this is going to be one of the breakthrough companies of 2019. Okay. And this is something that you need to get involved with right now because it's 100% free to join. You're not coming out of you're not coming out of pocket any money. Okay. You don't have to spend one red penny on this platform. Get in free right now. Because if you don't get in free now, when the platform launches, and for you affiliates out there, the people that can build teams and people that can get this out there, you will have to pay that $30. And I know $30 is not a lot of money to some of you. I get it, but why not get in free and start taking advantage so that way you can start stacking up your Asimi tokens so you can start using this to advertise on this platform and start seeing the revenue that's going to be coming in. Guys, I promise you this. You will be seeing hashing ad space all over the internet, and it's coming. It's going to be here. It's going to be here before you know it. Every time you turn around, you're going to see somebody talking about hashing ad space. You're going to see it on Facebook. You're going to see it in LinkedIn, YouTube. It's going to be everywhere. It's already catching fire now. So you might as well be the ones that get in and start doing it now for free and already be in here and building up your passive income. All right, guys. This is going to be something that's going to be huge going forward in 2019. And this is a rev share business, but guys, this is going to be totally different from any other rev share business that you've ever been a part of. And I'm going to break it down for you. But before I get there, I just want to show you how simple this is. Once you come in and you register and you get to the back office and you get everything set up, all you have to do is come over here and hit start minting. That's all you have to do. And you mint your one ad because they're only allowing you to watch one ad right now. And you see that I'm already earning Asimi tokens and I haven't done anything with this platform yet. I haven't done anything with it. Nothing. And I'm already earning Asimi tokens. The platform is shut off to in a sense to where you can't purchase anything right now. You can't purchase anything. Everything is shut off. So you can't buy anything even if you wanted to until you can start getting stuff once the pre-launch is over with. Then you'll be able to buy your minting packages. All right. Now here is what the difference is. Okay. This is why this is so much different than any other rev share platform out there. All right, guys. Now, you're going to be able to control how many ads that you watch because you know in any other typical rev share type of business, they want you to go in and watch 10 ads per day or sometimes 15 ads per day or whatnot. All right. You don't have to do that with this platform. You can choose how many ads you want to watch. All right. Because with these minting packages, they're going to be 200 Asimi tokens or it's going to be $100 cash. All right. Now, with this, you say, okay, say you want to buy 5 of them. So you spend $500. Not saying that you have to come right off, right out and spend $500, but just say you wanted to say, hey, let me get this thing going. I want to grow it as fast as I can. And I spent $500. Now you have 5 minting packages. All right. So that means you only have to watch 5 ads per day. And that's it. And you don't have to do anything else after that. You watch your 5 ads, you advertise on this platform like you would do any other rev share business, and you're done. You're done for the day. Now, so a lot of you already kind of understand that, and I have I have videos and stuff explaining more in depth on how this is going, on how to set everything up. But look at this. Right here. Your minting package allows you to watch 1 ad per day for 365 days. As you mint ads over that time, you'll earn profits from the newly minted Asimi tokens. It is the act of watching ads that mints the tokens each day, and the more packages you have, the more you can earn. So when people watch the ads, you're minting those tokens. Okay. So when I go in and I watch, just say I watch my one ad, I minted a certain amount of tokens. Okay. So the more ads that you have, the more coins you mint. Okay. So your profit margin is out of this world. So if just imagine if you wanted to take the time and sit there for 15 or 20 minutes and click 50 minting packages, and you have those ads for 365 days. 365 days, a whole year to accumulate Asimi tokens, and take those Asimi tokens and transfer those over to Bitcoin or whatever you want to transfer it over to. How powerful is that? If you're thinking like I'm thinking, and I hope you are, look at the passive income you can create for yourself. Look at the cryptocurrency that you can multiply. If you want to multiply Bitcoin, you can multiply your Bitcoin using leveraging these Asimi tokens. Guys, it's powerful. I don't understand. If you guys aren't in, then hey, that's on you or whatever the case may be. But I highly recommend that you jump in, and I would get in as quick as possible and get this thing going so you can start getting these free tokens right now, and that's going to benefit you later. So that way you can buy your minting packages and get this thing rolling for you. Why not? They're giving it away. It's free. So there's no money coming out of pocket. I'm not understanding. You guys should be running to this because this is going to be one of the biggest platforms in 2019. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. But like I said, I can't guarantee you anything. These are all my opinions, and this is just what I believe. So make sure you do your own research and your own due diligence on any platform or anything that you get into on this internet space. So I just want to make that clear. But in my opinion, I think this is going to be one of the best platforms in 2019, and you're going to be seeing a lot of profits coming out of this platform. So I highly recommend that you get on it. All right. And not only that, we also have the sales funnel. It's done. It's 100% done. It's ready to go. It's ready to be used. So I'm going to go over here and I'm going to show you the sales funnel. Okay, guys. Now, with the sales funnel, it's got everything you need. So all you have to do is send traffic to it and you're ready to go. So I'm going to leave the link in the description below this video. So that way you guys can come over here and it's going to show you exactly how to set the funnel up, where to go, how to put everything in and get it rolling. Because guys, you need a sales funnel. You need a sales funnel in any business that you're doing. You need that so you can replicate and duplicate this same method that everybody's going to be using. And this is going to help put you out in front because now you can follow back up with these people. Even if they don't join on the first time, you're going to have an email autoresponder that's going to follow up with your leads and keep them warmed up so they understand what this is about. So a lot of times when people see stuff come in their email, they look at it. They might not join right then. That's fine. They might go do their research or whatever. But when they keep seeing the emails coming and they start seeing hashing ad space all over the place, they're going to know right then, hey, I better get in now before it's too late, because I see all of these people over here is jumping in, and I see hashing ad space every time I turn around. I see it in Facebook, or I see somebody talking about it on YouTube. I go to BitTube, I see it over there. I mean, all of these platforms, all these social media platforms is going to have hashing ad space, and you will see it. So get used to it. So why not be the one to get in now and do everything for free? Everything is set up in here. We're going to show you how to set the platform up. All right. We're going to show you how to put the sales funnel together, how to set your wallet up. We're going to show you where to get traffic at. So we're going to generate you a whole sales funnel of different ways to make a passive income. So this is multiple streams of income just right here that you're looking at on this sales funnel. This is going to make you multiple streams of income if you come in and you follow directions and you stick to what we're telling you. That's all you have to do. You stick to what we're telling you. you join the group. Make sure you go and join the Hashing Ad Space Facebook group. Make sure you get in there, because you're going to start seeing all of the you know, say all the people's income proof, because it's going to be everywhere, and people are going to show you what they're doing, and it's going to be inviting. It's going to let everybody understand on how this business is going and how's it going to benefit you going forward. Guys, if you haven't done anything online, if you've never touched, if this is your first time to get something online, I highly recommend that you jump in this system. And I mean, and I know you can hear the excitement in my voice. And you know, I don't get it. I don't get too excited a lot, but when something I see that's going to help others, that's going to help the masses and just normal people just like me and you, to be able to get to another level in our success financially, I mean, it's huge. I'm excited. I'm here to help you. I want to see you guys out there grow as an entrepreneur and grow and start making money online for the first time. If this is your first time coming over here checking this out, I want you guys to see the power that this system is going to bring for you going forward in 2019. I want you guys to check that out. I want you to see this. So guys, I'm telling you, get in. I'm going to leave the links in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that notification bell, so that way you can get all the updates on all of my videos that I have. I have several other different platforms that I'm into, and everything that I do on this particular channel is all passive income, because that's what I like to do. That's what I'm in. I want to make sure that people can make money regardless if they don't know how to recruit. Even if you don't know how to recruit, you can make money with this particular program and this platform, okay? Those are the type of things that I want to get out there to the masses, because everybody's not master promoters or master entrepreneurs or master marketers or whatever you want to call it. So this is going to give the everyday person that's just coming in, it's going to show you how to start making passive income from day one without you having to invest any money coming out of pocket. So I highly recommend that you jump on this platform right now, 100% free. You better get in before it's too late, because once this thing goes viral, you're going to say, man, I should have listened to Dominic. I should have came over here and I should have got in here a long time ago. I'm telling you. All right, this is Dominic Daniels coming to you from All About Passive Income, and I will see you guys in the next video.